In this video, I'm going to show you the best trading strategy on TradingView, and it only uses one indicator. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the daily content, and let's get right into it. For this method to work, we're only going to need one single indicator. I do recommend the 1 hour time frame for this. I'd like to see the back testing for this method. Stay tuned till the end of the video. The indicator that we want is called Moon Phases. Moon Phases is under the Technicals Indicators section. We don't need to change any of the settings. You can change the background if you want, but I'm going to keep them the same. Okay, for this to work, the indicator paints full suns, and they'll be your entry signals. So for a sell, we're looking for a color change of the background to go from grey to blue, and we're looking for a sun above the candles. Vice versa for a long, we're looking for a blue to a grey colour change in the background, and we're looking for a sun underneath. Because this method is based on the 1 hour time frame, do remember that these are slower, longer trades. This is not intraday trading, but that usually means better results. We'll enter a long position. So this candle painted the sun, so at the end of this candle, we'll enter our long position. We'll set a stop loss to the top of the sun, and then we'll close the trade when a new sun paints. So we can see straight away this was a 4.81 risk to reward ratio, and we made 3.20% on this one trade. And if you do have any other ideas for different indicators that you'd like me to test out, please leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to upload a video on them. Okay, so I'm going to back test this over the last month and see what kind of results we get. Stay tuned for that. So as you can see, I've back tested this method since the 1st of April here. Obviously the trades are a lot bigger in size because we are on a higher time frame. From the 1st of April we had 6 wins and 3 losses, which is quite a high win rate. And I'll show you the back testing results now. So as you can see, these are the results from the 1st of April. Like I said, we had 6 wins and 3 losses with a net total of 1,399 pips. On the 1st of April, I think that's pretty impressive results. Our highest win was 552 pips, and our biggest loss was 138 pips. You can show the risk to reward ratio, and our highest risk to reward was 6.53. So overall, I think this is a pretty good method. I think definitely long term you can make some very good pips from this. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next one.